Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is Rev.com Review. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hello everyone, if you've not subscribed already. Alright, today's topic, Rev.com Review. Rev is a website, and it's Rev.com. Is a website that will allow you to get your audio files transcribed into text, or you can get videos. You can send videos from YouTube or Vimeo or any other video hosting platform and have captions made. And the costs are quite competitive. They're very low, I think. So Transcription, for example, is $1.25. By the way, I should say this is not a sponsored post. This is just a review of a service that I've used, and I found it to be a good site. If you're a content creator or a marketeer, you will need to use Rev.com at some stage. Okay, so let's review the Transcription. I have used this service, and I'll explain why in a moment, but you send your audio, so that might be short audio, it might be audio for a book, and that's exactly what I did. I had some audio tapes for my book that I wanted to turn into a manuscript, text file, and obviously I'm not the fastest typist in the world, so it makes sense to use somebody like Rev.com. And I did it for this book that I released in 2012 for some of the new subscribers who may not be aware of that. So it's How to Turbocharge Your Business with a Blog, and I published that in 2012. And it's also Kindle, also an audiobook. Point being, I used Rev.com to produce those initial manuscripts because they typed up the audio files that I had. That were my notes and my text for the book. So Rev.com were very good then, and then I didn't use them for quite a while. Just didn't have the need for. I was thinking of them, in the context of typing up books or ebooks, etc. But they do smaller files as well. So let's go back. If we go from the audio, go back to the home page. So just clicking on the home page. So they also do captions for videos. So as a YouTuber, I have videos that I'm producing. Obviously this is one of those, and there's 2 a week. So sometimes I include captions on the videos. Here's one of my videos, and I used, let's just close this. Here's one of my videos, how to increase, and that's just an ad. Here's one of my videos, how to increase LinkedIn company page followers, and this has subtitles, and the subtitles were produced, you can see it here, it says subtitles now added. They were produced by Rev.com. So I used this website, submitted the video, and then within 24 hours I received the file with the subtitles and uploaded to YouTube. It's a very fast service, and I should say with both the book and the captions for videos, the accuracy rate was very high. So let's be specific. On this video, when I had to increase LinkedIn company page followers, when I submitted the video file and then reviewed the text file I got back from Rev.com, I found just one mistake, which was good. Obviously, one mistake is very low in terms of the amount of errors, and it was a low rate of mistakes in I can't remember now, in 2012. I can't remember. I think it was maybe 1 or 2 errors in the 2012 document, but that's fine. That's within a tolerable level. So this is a short video just to say Rev.com, and here they are. Rev.com are, to my mind, the leaders in transcription services. This is a review from the point of a consumer. You may find other videos on the internet about people working for Rev.com. I've not worked for them. I just used their services, and I found them to be very good or excellent for transcription and for captions. I can see here from this banner that they also do foreign subtitles, and that's something that I think as a content creator on YouTube, I will definitely consider, because if you want to get into more reach on YouTube, you can have your videos accurately translated into other relevant languages, rather than relying on people who watch your video and then submit their own files. If you have it done professionally, you say, oh, I'm adding Mandarin, or I'm adding Arabic, etc., then you will increase the reach of your videos. And it is for some of your more popular videos, it's a very good strategy in terms of increasing your reach. This was a review of Rev.com. If I was giving it a grading, I'd say 8 or 9 out of 10. I rarely give anything 10, so 8 or 9 is very, very good. It'd have to be absolutely perfect to get a 10, so 8 or 9 out of 10. And I recommend that if you're a content creator and you need files transcribed, use Rev.com. I hope you found this short review useful. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you've liked this video, give me a like. Click on one of the 2 screenshots to watch another video from me. If you've not subscribed already, thank you very much for watching. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Bye bye.